Palantir secured a NATO contract to provide its AI-powered military tool, Maven Smart System, highlighting the expectation of increasing reliance on AI assets like Palantir's capabilities within the realm of defense. In particular, Palantir provides a track record of handling sensitive data, giving it an edge to grow market share. This contract alleviates some worries brought about by market volatility, tariffs, increasing AI infrastructure costs, and competition from Chinese companies, largely because Palantir could stand to benefit from shifting priorities related to the role of AI in geopolitical tensions. This is because Palantir is a data analytics and mining company that offers AI-powered tools and infrastructure for government and commercial clients. Its proprietary ontology system sets it apart from other AI software companies, providing a competitive advantage. Palantir's solutions include Gotham, Foundry, and the recently launched artificial intelligence platform, AIP, which has become a growth catalyst for the company. Palantir's founder and CEO Alex Karp believes that tech companies can succeed by emulating his business's strategy, which includes selling tools that bolster national security efforts. In an interview with Forbes, he stated that while many Silicon Valley firms may not agree with his views, they are changing their approach to working with the U.S. government on defense technology due to Palantir's success. Karp also addressed the shift towards defense tech companies and the AI arms race threatening national security, arguing that consistent opinions on defense technology have prevailed because Palantir has become a multi-billion-dollar company attracting top talent in the industry. Ironically, Palantir sued the U.S. Army a decade ago, claiming that its contractor selection process had unlawfully shut Palantir out of the competition. If Palantir had lost its suit, it would have likely been the end for the company. Instead, in late 2016, a federal judge sided with the company, saying that the U.S. Army hadn't complied with procurement laws. In 2018, Palantir went on to win a contract with the very entity it had sued after the Army scrapped its original procurement process and started a new one. For more on Palantir and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.